What kind of Christmas tree do you have at home? Real or artificial? If you have real, I'm pretty sure it has brought a beautiful scent of nature into your household. And if you have artificial, I'll give you a tip what essential oil you can use to bring this scent of nature alive in your home. Today we'll talk about Siberian fir. It's steam distilled from the needles and twigs of the tree, and it's native to Siberia. It has fresh, woodsy and calming aroma, and you can use it two different ways, aromatically and topically. Aromatically, I like to diffuse Siberian fir with citrus oils like wild orange or grapefruit for uplifting and fresh aroma. If you have a lava diffuser, just add a couple drops of essential oil and put it into your shoes, drawers or closet. And because it's Christmas, let's not forget about hanging ornaments or centerpieces or Christmas tree. And you can add 1 drop of Siberian fir on twigs or cones. Topically, dilute couple drops of Siberian fir with fractionated coconut oil and apply it to stiff and tense muscles. Also, you can apply it on your chest to support better breathing, or you can add couple drops into your massage cream for better relaxation. If you enjoyed my video and you would like to learn more about essential oils and natural solutions, like this video and follow my profile.